team, new program for me. We moved our whole family down here to Claremont. I'm training with Alden, obviously, and super excited to go into 2023. Full-time 450 guy now. I want to be at every race. I want to be consistent, just try to put myself up front and be competitive with the boys.
Off-season's been going really good. It's my second year going with Alden again. I learned a lot. I had a really good off-season last year. And it's got a year under my belt, with the team. And like I said, the results were going really, really good. We have ended the Supercross season with a third, so I think that's something to really look forward to. And it's only confidence from there.
Just excited. Had a really good off season, just taking some time away, and when we came back, I just felt a lot better on the bike. Obviously, healthy is the main thing to it, so we're all good, healthy. I think it's going to be an exciting year.
Off season's been awesome. We started early again, and man, just been grinding. We found a lot with the bike this year, and last year was a huge step for me. It's my first time I've been top 3 in a series. Supercross, got my first win, so just trying to bring that into this year. Like I said, we made a lot of progress just this off season already. Just looking forward to a new year, fresh start.